We are now going to look at how to create shape effects, and I'm going to mention 3 of the shape effects. How do you get to shape effects? This is the effects icon in the Format Picture tool window. So you can right click on shape and you can select Format Picture and select this effects icon. Shadow consists of mainly outer shadow, which you can see here as a picture, or inner shadow, which we have mentioned earlier in terms of how to give the picture a realistic shading feel. Glow gives this sort of literally a glow around the outer edge of the picture. And for soft edges, it blurs the edges of the picture, but it does so by making the picture smaller. Let's look at some of the shape effects in action. And I'm going to show you 3 of the effects that I've just mentioned. So let me first right click, select Format Shape, and select the effects icon here. We're going to look at shadow first. So we've already previously looked at the inner shadow. Now I'm going to select outer shadow. I'm just going to randomly select the first one. You can actually change the angle according to your choice. And again, similar to inner shadow, you can also adjust the distance and you can blur the shadow if you prefer. And you can adjust transparency of the shadow as well as even change the color of the shadow to that of your choice. Let me just remove the shadow now. We're going to look at glow. Glow literally, as I mentioned, creates a glow around the picture. And first let me choose the color. So let's say I'm going to choose blue, and you can change the transparency of your glow to perhaps a more subtle glow, or if you want a more obvious one. And again, you can also choose the size. So it's relatively straightforward. Let me remove this effect. And now we're going to quickly look at the last one, which is soft edges. This essentially will blur the edges of your picture, and you simply select how much of it you want to blur. Of course, if you choose a lot of it, the picture will literally disappear. Right? So here is how you have the blur effect. And I'm just going to shrink it back down to 0. So these are the effects that you can achieve: shadow, glow, and soft edges. And of course, you can play around with the other effects as well.